Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your very own X or Twitter account, formerly Twitter. So here I am currently on my homepage, so if you don't have an account, this wouldn't be the one showing, but it still will show the same thing anyway. So I'm just gonna head over to create a new account, and this should be what you have when you don't have an account yet. Similar to this, but not the same one. So just click on either continue with Google or create an account, but just to show you the long process, I'm just going to create the account, and then now it's going to let us choose which language we prefer. Now we're heading to the process where we write down our names, email, and date of birth. I'm not going to take this seriously, I'm just going to write down sample account as a name, and then I hope I can find an email that I haven't been using. As you can see, many of the emails here are ones that I have been using. Now I'm gonna put down your date of birth because it can dictate whatever posts you're able to watch or not on Twitter or X, because there are some restrictions, even though there are a lot of contents on this website that isn't safe for work. And now it's gonna ask you to authenticate, which is basically doing a CAPTCHA. So let's just face this frog towards the way where the fingers are pointing. This should be the right one. Let's just click on submit. Now it's gonna give us another one. It should be different. It's not always the same type of CAPTCHA for everyone. I'm just guessing. And now it's gonna send a code to your Gmail account or whatever email you're using. So let's head over to our Gmail and check if the code really is there. Let's switch over to the email that we're using. Seems like we haven't sent it yet. So what we need to do is just head over to Twitter again and click on didn't receive email if you don't have the email, and then just click on resend email, then head back to your email, and I think it should work this time. As you can see, we have the code now. We just need to copy this. Let's remember that and write it down here. Verification code. Just click on next, and now let's write down a password. I'm just gonna write down a password that I think I will find comfortable and much secure. We can just skip this process for now, but if you want, you can add a profile picture. You can also change your username, but don't worry, don't think too much about it. You can change it later, as what they say here. So now you need to follow someone or anyone that might be in line with your interests for the algorithm to know what kind of posts you should be seeing. And as you can see, I followed NBA. Now I'm seeing NBA related posts here. So the next thing you should do is to set up your profile, which I won't be showing here. I think you can do it on your own. But that is how you create an X or Twitter account. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!